Hello, I want to show you my outdoor bunny exercise pen that I set up. It's basically 2 dog pens put together. And I put an indoor-outdoor rug on the floor. And part of their hutch. I just set it up. They're not going to stay out here 24 hours a day because obviously it's not safe and it's not weatherproof. So it's just, look at Daisy. So it's just when I'm home. And they got a lot of room to run back and forth. My dogs are playing in the background. So Daisy's the black and white one right there, you see? Going in the hutch. Oh, I hope she can't jump on the roof and jump over. And there's Clover. Hi, Clover. You like it in there? Yeah. And just got a cover over here. It's supposed to be a shade. That came with... No, it didn't come with it. It's extra to put on top of the playpen. I have another one on the other side over there that I just flipped over for now. But I'm going to close it if I go inside. And these are just 2 election signs that we had that we put in the middle for shade. But today is not too sunny, so they don't really need it. So I'm going to get more stuff. I'm going to get some more tunnels. There's plastic tunnels I can buy that I can just put in there because I'll leave it outside, you know, when it rains. But not the bunnies inside, of course. They come in the house because these are house pets. Hi, guys. You happy? Yeah, I can't let them run in my backyard because there's too many holes that they can get out of, and then I would never be able to catch them either. They'd be able to get under here, of course. I can block it off, but all around my yard there's holes and such. And my dogs are there too.